Hello, and welcome to Monster Lake Ranch Resort, a unique property built of Western culture and nature's bliss. From high plains and mystic buttes to famed trout waters and dramatic vistas, this amazing ranch is located here just 8 miles outside beautiful Cody, Wyoming. This rustic ranch is being offered for auction by J.P. King and is an opportunity not to be missed. Rich in history and lavish in beauty, this world-famous and first-class property is a widely published private fishing destination featuring 2 freshwater trophy lakes and pistol, carbine, and long-range rifle shooting facilities. Monster Lake Ranch Resort embraces harmonious Western rhythm with individual property offerings that include resort lodging and dining, with approximately 4,500 acres of deeded land, 4,600 BLM leased acres, and 1,500 acres of adjudicated water rights. Founded by William Frederick Cody, Buffalo Bill, Cody, Wyoming is known as the rodeo capital of the world. Most notably, a continual 90-day rodeo and the annual Cody Stampede Rodeo, one of the largest 4th of July Professional Pro Cowboys Association's rodeos in the nation, celebrating its 100th year. Cody is also the gateway community to Yellowstone National Park, a short 50 miles away. Settled upon open range with epic mountain and lake views, the property is home to a popular Western restaurant and saloon, event center, and meeting facilities for ace-high Western retreats, events, and entertainment. This ranching paradise offers plenty of Wild West resort life offerings and amenities, as well as natural splendor and solitude to unwind, recharge, and relax. Let's see what else this resort has to offer. Monster Lake Ranch Resort has individual property offerings which includes separate parcels. Each one has exquisite features with numerous amenities, starting with the Quick Lake parcel. This more than 295-acre property includes a 120-acre private lake, an ornate local restaurant and saloon, ranch-style event venue for weddings or group meetings, and lodging accommodations for up to 70 guests, consisting of 8 cabins with 1- and 2-bedroom suite units. The next parcel is Monster Lake Parcel, a lavish and spacious 3,000-acre ranch and lake property, which includes the famous 180-acre private world-class fishery of Monster Lake. This parcel also includes a 20-by-40 remodeled fish shack lodging with restrooms, rustic horse barn and shed, working corrals, a climate-controlled storage and tack room, and a bird barn and flight pens that can accommodate 1,500 birds. This parcel is also used for cattle ranching with a significant irrigated meadow hay operation and private access. The Cowboy Camp parcel, sitting on just over 460 acres, is ideal for recreational camping and development potential. The property includes a small rustic cowboy cabin with endless views of wonderful rim rock and rock formations, as well as the Absaroka mountain range. This parcel also has the potential for irrigated production and is lush grazing land with access to a large BLM allotment. The Trapper Cabin parcel is situated on approximately 640 acres of beautiful recreational, grazing, and hunting ground. This property includes a small, authentic log cabin and more than 2,500 mystic acres of rimrock BLM land allotment adjoining the property. Next is a development parcel. This 35-acre lot is an ideal development property with excellent income potential for an RV park, lodge, or hotel with highly visible private highway access. Complementing each other and immediately south of Quick Lake Parcel, this site offers an opportunity for convenient access to the property's visitor offerings and amenities while taking advantage of the high-traffic community of Cody and Yellowstone Park. Another potential development parcel located immediately east of Monster Lake Parcel, this 35-acre property is situated in an ideal location for commercial development with nearby power and water for light industrial and power grid access for solar energy development uses. Then there's the Bighorn Parcel. This dramatic 640-acre property is ideal for cattle grazing and recreational hunting. Bighorn County is surrounded by amazing outdoor attractions, which include Bighorn National Forest, Cloud Peak Wilderness and Red Gulch Dinosaur Track Site, to name a few. This is an ideal spot for any outdoor recreationist or the foundation of a cattle ranching enterprise. Finally, there is the boundary well allotment. We've just scratched the surface of the many things this amazing resort has to offer. But what really makes this property unique are the breathtaking surroundings, close proximity to the commercial Yellowstone Regional Airport and private jet facility, and the community of Cody, all of which really need to be experienced to be believed. Whether it's planning a special event, angling for trophy fish, hunting, horseback riding, or just finding the solitude in the natural splendor, come experience a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity where the land is wild, the people are friendly, and magic is all around. Thank you for joining us here today on our tour of Monster Lake Ranch Resort, an incredible property located just outside beautiful Cody, Wyoming. Once again, if you're looking for the perfect vacation getaway or making Monster Lake Ranch your full-time residence, this is an investment you won't want to pass by. For more information about this auction or other auctions by J.P. King, please visit www.jpking.com. Thanks for watching.